LuxeLift Bra is marketed as a supported bra that promises better lift, improved comfort, and a flattering fit without sacrificing everyday wearability. The ads make it look like the perfect solution for every body type. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, a well-designed bra can improve comfort and support. However, no single bra works perfectly for everyone. What it does well may provide extra support. The design may help improve comfort during everyday wear. Comfort-focused construction. Many bras in this category use soft, stretchy materials for extended wear, where the height falls apart. It won't fit everyone perfectly. This is the biggest issue. Body shape and sizing vary greatly from person to person. Lift is not permanent. The shaping effect only lasts while you're wearing the bra. Sizing accuracy matters. An incorrect size can reduce both comfort and support. So, should you buy LuxeLift Bra? Short answer: only with realistic expectations. It may provide good everyday support and comfort, but expecting dramatic transformation or a perfect fit for everyone is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.